If you have a website which you want to be accessible in the EU, then there are various regulations that you need to abide by. Now, these regulations are largely imposed upon big businesses and big websites, but you, as a small one-man band, are not excluded from the regulations. And if they decided they wanted to impose the restrictions on you, then of course they could, together with the penalties. The primary one is relating to pop-ups and cookies, and largely to do with the harvesting of information via cookies. So you are, as an EU citizen, supposed to be protected against putting cookies onto your computer, which would, over time, harvest information on your web habits and where you go, etc., etc. So the idea is that new legislation has been brought in to mean that you have to give anybody visiting your site the option to accept cookies, reject cookies, or just accept the necessary cookies that are needed in order for the website to work. Now, you can put a notification on Weebly which notifies people that they either accept the cookies or don't, and it's just a drag box with some text and a button. Now, the problem with this is that it doesn't really, in my view, meet EU requirements anymore. It's not sophisticated enough. You can go to the App Store, and if you search for EU opt-out or EU cookie, you will find that there are various app suppliers who are making apps for you to install, and some of them have got some pretty good reviews. EU Cookie Bar seems to be a particular good one, and also you've got email opt-in pop-up. Now, the problem with these is that they are premium products, so potentially quite expensive, and they may therefore not be worth you investing in. Another option is to go to the pop-up option in the pop-up section, which I'm going to talk you through in another video, and potentially you could set up a pop-up banner which could then link to a page where you could give all the information on cookies, or at least a warning about cookies. And I think that would be a better option given what options you've got with Weebly. So that is Weebly, how we deal with EU cookie notifications with Weebly.